Hey guys, so today we are talking about multi-stage sampling. It's a sampling technique, alright? It is kind of similar to cluster sampling. The multi-stage sampling is the probability sampling technique wherein the sampling is carried out in several stages, such that the sample size gets reduced at each stage. Very easy, very simple. Here I'm going to give you guys an example. So let's assume you want to get a sample from university students, all right? And you were like, let me choose my own university. So you have chosen your own university, and now you went ahead and you were like, all the students who are taking any course of marketing shall be in my sample. So you went ahead and you made clusters, right? Marketing. There could be a lot of courses of marketing being offered. You know, universities are huge. And then you went ahead and you divided these students into top or good students and then standard, normal, average students. All right. So now you have made a few clusters and your sample size is reduced. All right. Standard, you can get 10 standard, 10 top students, okay, from each course. Now you went ahead and you randomly chose 20 people from these students. This is multi-stage sampling. There are stages. First, which university you chose, then marketing classes, then top and standard students. Then you went ahead and chose 20 people. So you can see you are making clusters as well as you are choosing your sample in different stages. This is multi-stage sampling. Alright, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!